The EXAIR static meter is a diagnostic tool used to detect the presence of static electricity. It also can be used to determine whether or not your static eliminators are working, simply by taking a reading prior to the part and then take a reading on the part after it passes underneath the static eliminator. Word of caution here, never point the static meter at the ionizer, otherwise you may get permanent damage. To operate the static meter, push the power on hold button and then touch some grounded surface to discharge your body. Now we need to zero out the meter. Point the monitor plate away from where the static charge is at, and then press the zero button once, twice. Okay. Alright, take the meter and move it to within 1 inch of the charged surface. If you press the power hold button, it will freeze the reading. As you can see, we have 2.3. The meter reads in kilovolts, so that would mean we got 2,300 volts of charge. If you notice a negative symbol in front of the number, which indicates that it's a negative charge. If it were a positive charge, there would be no symbol. The meter has a range of plus or minus 20,000 volts. Using an EXAIR ion air gun, we're going to remove the static charge on this plate. Again, repeat your process of zeroing out the meter, bringing the meter over to the plate, and you can see it reads 0.1. A reading of 0.1 volts is natural or normal for this environment.